At the party, John told a funny joke to break the ice. I don't want to do the presentation, but I'll bite the bullet and do it. She burned the midnight oil to finish her project on time. You hit the nail on the head. The problem is the communication gap. The test was a piece of cake. I finished it in minutes. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I'm staying home. It was supposed to be a surprise, but Sarah spilled the beans. You've been quiet for a while. A penny for your thoughts? Arguing with her will just add fuel to the fire. That new car cost an arm and a leg, but it's worth it. He burned bridges with his colleagues when he left the company. There's no point crying over spilt milk. We can fix the problem. Unfortunately, the old dog kicked the bucket last night. I accidentally let the cat out of the bag about their engagement. I've done all I can. Now, the ball is in your court. Everyone's jumping on the bandwagon to buy that new phone. We only get to see a solar eclipse once in a blue moon. He says he's an expert, but I'd take that with a grain of salt. To make a long story short, we missed the train and had to take a bus. I'm exhausted, so I'm going to hit the sack early tonight. He's always been dishonest. A leopard can't change its spots. I always get the best deals because I shop early. The early bird catches the worm. She's in hot water after missing the meeting without informing anyone. You have a big performance tonight? Break a leg. Come on, it's not rocket science. Just follow the instructions. I know you're excited about the promotion, but don't count your chickens before they hatch. She got cold feet and didn't show up to the wedding. After hours of trying to fix the car, he finally threw in the towel. We've discussed it enough. Let's just let sleeping dogs lie. He promised he would help, but his actions speak louder than words.